What do you?
It's gonna fall. I can see this falling.
You have it?
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna drop it.
Are we going?
Okay, I'll put my arm around the thing.
Oh yeah, that's a smart idea.
Whoa, dizzy, dizzy. Okay, still going.
Oh, it's recording?
Yeah. Oh wait, it's
ready?
blurry, it's blurry.
Okay.
Oh, it's on micro.
Oh, what?
Now it's good.
Macro?
Now
Isn't
it's
that
good.
like a type of fish?
Yeah, it's a fish. Go.
Okay, go.
This is stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Go! Yay, good! Wait, don't go fast! No! I can't breathe. Where'd you go? I didn't see you at all.
Did you get it?
No?
John.
Not me, not you.
Oh, I want to see the video after.
Okay, bye.
Was it good?
No, I couldn't. You were. I have one hand. Like,
Was
I have
it
no
going
balance.
fast?
You're going fast. Sure. Bye.
Bye.
It's recording right now.
Is it?
Just don't touch anything.
Brittany, which one you going down?
Which one, Garrett?
Brittany, I can't hold it.
I'm going down shoot.
Okay, shoot, fine.
I can't hold it, Brittany.
You're not messing up. How are you not able? How can you not hold that?
My gloves don't allow it. Okay, go.
Is it still on?
Oh, it's really close up.
Let me see. Let me see.
Wait, it is. You just
it?
can't tell. Yeah, it is.
I can fix it. Here.
Well, no, just go. Just
No, I
go.
want to fix it.
Wait, no, I don't think it's close up. No, it's fine.
You're a liar. Looks stupid.
Go, just go.
I like my nose right now.
Okay, just
Okay,
go.
okay,
Go. I can't get up. Oh.
Shoot.
Shoot, yeah, sure.
People go first.
People. Oh. I'm focused on your nose.
Here, let me undo.
Wait, no, it's good. It's good. It's actually, I don't think it's imminent. Go. Go. Man, you suck, Brittany. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I really suck at this. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh man, it's bumping. It's bumping. Oh, bumping. Let's build the fire slayer. Man, I suck at this. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh, shoot! Oh, I suck so bad.
Is it even still going?
on you. I'm pretty sure I got like 2 seconds of you. The rest was this.
His eyes have like a stable hand. Say hi.
You have a stable hand.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom.
I know what you're thinking.
Oh, she doesn't wait for anyone.
Okay, turn it off.